Alright guys, this is Kahr Fan coming at you with a how-to video. I'm going to talk about how to install a Pearce extension grip on your Kahr small model pistol, the P380, PM9, and PM40. I'll be demonstrating this on a PM9. Also guys, check out my review of the Pearce extension grip. Let me know what you think. Alright, here we go. I'm going to show you how to get to this result right here to get your extension grip on your magazine. Very, very simple. First step, this is what you get in the package. You get your grip right here, and you get this little tab that sits on top of the spring right here. First step you want to do is this little indentation that sticks out on the side of the tab. You want to fit it into this little hole on the top of your magazine, the top of your grip extension, I'm sorry. Just stick it in there, set the dimple into the hole. There you go. And then set it down. We'll get to that in just a minute. Next step, get yourself a small screwdriver and push this little dimple right here on the top of your magazine in and pull forward. There you go. I've got it unseated and ready to go. So the next thing I'm going to want to do is put my thumb over top here, hold back the spring, and pull this metal deal off. There we go. Got it off, holding the spring down. Let the spring go gently. Leave the spring in. Do not take the spring out. There's no reason to remove the spring. Go ahead and press the spring down again and hold it with your index finger. Easier said than done. Spring wants to jump out at you. Okay. There we go. I'm holding it down, still sticking up a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and grab my Pearce grip. And I'm going to attempt to slide it on here. Okay, what you're doing is it's fitting underneath. There's some grooves that's on the side of your magazine that it needs to fit underneath. In 1 second, let me push the spring down just a little bit more. You may want to use your thumb on this. Once you get it started, you're good to go. Getting it started is the hard part. So now, there we go. I'm going to try and slide it on there. You got to be careful. You don't want that spring to pop out. Okay, I think I've got it started. That's the hard part, guys, getting it started to that point there. So I want to show you up close and personal. You kind of see the little grooves on the side of the grip and on the side of the magazine. That's what I'm sliding it into, while at the same time holding that gnarly little spring in. Pretty difficult. So go ahead and brace the spring down as you push it in a little bit. Gently guide it in. Don't do it quickly. You don't want to mess up that little piece of plastic that's got the indentation on it. But you can see that little dimple right there. You don't want to get that off track. But then the first time you go to shoot your gun, this grip could fly off. There goes your spring. All your bullets fly out. Be kind of messy. So be careful with it. Push it in slowly. I've got mine in all the way now. There we go. I've got the grip completely installed. So the next thing you're going to want to do is function check it. I've got some rounds here. So just go ahead, drop a couple of rounds into it. Make sure that it works. Alright, I'm going to put a few more. These are Winchester PDX-1 hollow points, 9mm by the way, plus P. Great defensive load. Of course, everybody's got their opinion on loads. Mine is the Winchester PDX-1 at the moment until somebody can give me a better one. That's what I found. Alright, let me go ahead and grab my PM9 real quick. So, do a little check here. Top round. Got some good spring to it. Still, everything is good. Install it on the weapon. Looks amazing. And my suggestion, go ahead and rack a few rounds to it. Keep your finger off the trigger. Just cycle a few rounds just to make sure everything is working fine. Alright. Everything worked flawlessly. I've got my my hollow points in the ground there. Everything's working great. So there you go, guys. There is your how-to on installing the Pearce extension grip. Good luck. Don't forget to click that like button below and hit me with some comments, guys. This is Kahr signing out.